This 2024 KZ Connect SE 312 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features refrigerator, stovetop burner, air conditioning, slide-out, oven, microwave, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, loft, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 KZ Connect SE 312 BHK is 7,350 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.